all the miles and the risks that we take. We own the road and we own the sky. On the edge, we're so alive.
Hello folks, Lego with Fonzie here. As you can see, we're at the show. We're all set up, ready to go. The bot you saw before was literally 3 hours before I was due to be here. I was waiting on parts and managed to, by the skin of my teeth, get there in time. Got all set up. So here we are, ready to go. Thanks to everyone who came along. It was a wonderful, wonderful time. I'm sorry about the way that the cathedral's been built and the way it's been documented again, as I said before many times, due to many problems. It's been problematic, but hopefully we've fixed it now. We can push on, and I'll see you all soon. Keep an eye on the social media for the next build I'm doing. Check out my Twitter, my Instagram and everything else, all in the description below. I'll see you all soon, my friends. Thank you all for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye for now.